Hi, I'm Maxi. Welcome to a new episode of Fitness Kitchen. Today we are gonna make a protein pancake with protein powder and some 100% dark chocolate. I know that many people find 100% dark chocolate too bitter, but this recipe is gonna use that to make it delicious. And the recipe is without any sugar or oil. So if you happen to be tired of just drinking your protein powder, try make this. Now let's get started. First, let's mix the batter base. The key ingredient is this: unflavored whey protein powder. We need 20 grams of them. Then, 15 grams of almond flour. This amount is the healthy nutty fat you need in a day. It helps you burn fat, and it makes the pancake taste better. But if you are allergic to nuts, you can replace it with normal wheat flour. Your pancake will still taste good. Okay then, 35 grams of all-purpose flour. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. These 4 ingredients combined are my batter base for all protein pancakes. And for today's recipe specifically, we need 4 grams of equal sweetener. This is an aspartame-based sweetener, no calories. I now use it instead of sugar. Okay, then 1/8 teaspoon of salt to amplify the sweetness. Now we mix all of them thoroughly. When everything is mixed, put aside. Now let's prepare the liquid. 85 milliliters of whole milk, and then 5 milliliters of lemon juice to balance the milk's flavor. So in total we have 90 milliliters of liquid. Mix the liquid with the powders, then stir. And after they are nicely mixed, pour them into a plate. Now we can put 100% dark chocolate on it. I'm using this much, around 15 grams. Now let's season them a little. 1/4 teaspoon of instant coffee, the unsweetened type. When you make chocolate desserts, adding a coffee will make the chocolate flavor stronger. This is a common trick in making good brownies. And then, a little dark magic, a little tiny bit of black pepper. I know it looks heretic to see black pepper in some desserts, but trust me, this works. Black pepper pairs really well with any dessert that has bitterness in it. They will also make your basket cake taste better. Okay, mix them and scatter them all over the surface. Now it's ready for cooking. You may have noticed I didn't sweeten the 100% dark chocolate at all. So there are pure bitterness here, and that's what we want. Because the batter is very sweet, this way you can taste the contrast in every bite. And that makes both sides taste better. And this way the cacao flavor tastes more natural. Okay, now cook it. We are gonna do this in the microwave. Put a pot holder under it. This will make it easy to get it out of the microwave. Okay, microwave it at max power for 3 minutes in a normal 900 watts microwave. Or for 4 minutes if your microwave is a weaker 700 watts one. 3 minutes later, our pancake is thoroughly cooked. Now you can already eat it like this. If you don't mind how it looks, I mean. Microwave is a pretty fast way to cook things, but it doesn't brown things. So now, to make it perfect, I'll use an air fryer to brown it very quickly. When you transfer the pancake, first shuffle the edge all around. Then you can easily shuffle the whole thing up, put it in the air fryer, heat it at 200 degrees Celsius or around 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. And as for the plate, if you don't want to wash it now, put it under water. This way it will be easy to clean when you get back to it. Okay, 5 minutes later, it's done. Our pancake is perfectly browned. Now, to finalize it, dust another 1 gram of equal sweetener all over it as frosting. And now it's completed. Okay, time for the nutrition facts. Each one of these has around 434 kcal of calories, 28 grams of protein, 34 grams of carbs, 20.5 grams of fat, and 328.5 milligrams of sodium. Do you know that chocolate itself is actually a healthy fat for you? For your cardiovascular health to be exact. It's the sugar inside that's bad. So, if you crave for chocolates, try get some 100% dark ones and make this. Maybe you'll fall in love with this bitterness and forget about the sugary ones. And that's the recipe of today. I have put all the statistics down below in the description. And if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also, welcome to follow me on Instagram. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking, take care.